Okay. Consider a circuit with 3 resistors. R1 equals 243.67 ohms, R2 equals 197.71 ohms, and R3 equals 399.28 ohms, connected in parallel with the 31.43 volts battery. Find A, the total current supplied by the battery, and B, the current through each resistor. Show all steps necessary to prove a solution. Hint T page 760.
Okie dokie. So easy tools here, right? Let's start off with what we know. Remember, it's 2 equations, 2 flavors. Now, what I want to do is talk about part B more because a lot of people skip part B. All right? The goal is to finish parts A and B. You lost some points you didn't, so I suggest you know who you are. You just did up until part A, which is I total. Open that document up and finish the rest because you didn't do it all, right? So let's go through it. So what do we got? I graded those last night when I was in the meeting. I was very, very disappointed. So we're using this equation here. You write what it is again, in case you forgot. This is known as the equivalence. Resistance, right? For a, in this case, parallel circuit, right? Say what, dude? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Well, what is that going to be? Well, remember this, it's a series of fractions. So it's 1 right, over R e cubed is equal to 1 over R1 plus, we got 3 resistors, 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3, right? So that's for our equivalent resistance. The second equation we're going to need is known as Ohm's law. And that's going to be composed of V is equal to I times R. Another flavor of this is with electromotive force. So that's 4, you would say epsilon is equal to I times R e cubed. This is going to be where you find your I total, by the way, once we get R e cubed. Okay, so we got everything we need to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and do part A. So in part A,
sorry to interrupt. They want to know if this is new one or
you're not sorry to interrupt.
This is from yesterday.
None of y'all, sorry to interrupt. Huh?
New one or old?
This is from yesterday.
What did I say? Somebody help me out. Listening skills.
I said.
I know you're right. I'm gonna start doing people like that. Listening. Okay. That's why I know y'all be talking about stuff y'all shouldn't be talking about. All right, solve for, and Shanti just 5 points for helping class out. Remember what they're supposed to do. All right, solve for R e cubed. Good. And then what? We're using this equation, right? So let's go ahead and use it. And we're trying to move fast, and you listen to your arm is not hurting.
1 radius equals 1 R1 plus.
She called out the steps. That means Ashanti's got the hang of the problem already now.
Okay.
Now, we gotta do what? Gotta plug everything in, right?
Let me do this part.
Huh?
Let me do this part real quick.
You wanna do this part? All right, that bite too big now. I gotta fit it all in. So what am I doing? Go ahead and knock it out. So you got, whoa, you got all the notes. Go ahead. Woo! She got it neat and everything. You get better at it. So 243.6.
Yeah, so I got.
You gotta say 1 over R cubed though first. You gotta say this. Oh, 1 over R cubed. No, R e cubed. You put I cubed. R e cubed. 1 over R e cubed. All right, keep it moving. We got 243. 6, 7. And I'm gonna help you out because I skipped to the part. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna write down the known and unknowns. Who can tell me what they are while she's doing that?
No, R1.
Hold on. She's doing that. We tag teaming this. So So R1.
R1 is a
equal to
known.
what?
35.61.
So you said 243.
Oh, my bad. No. 243.67. I checked the wrong one.
Okay. Omega, right?
Oh,
And R2.
197.7.
Y'all said that in unison. Who's that? Marquand and that. Y'all sound like a choir. 197.71. That was 5 and 5, right? Tag team back again. R3.
399.28.
So I gotta try to RQ and then solution. You said what now?
399.28.
Yes, sir. Oh, 28 what?
Ohms.
Yes. Mega. We have an epsilon here, right?
31.43 volts.
31.43 ohms. Volts. That's battery power, right? Ohms. Then you have an unknown. Okay. And don't forget it's a -1, right? So raise it to -1. Fix 1 over. Now come down to the next step to fix everything. So known, unknown. No, you gotta write one of our you write this again. Okay, and then in your part A, you need what? You need I total, right? The amps. Part B, you need I1, some number. And amps. You need I2, some number in amps. And then I3, some number. Okay? Alright, so did you fix it? Alright, she's doing the steps over here. So you're doing a job. Just get 2 steps. So let's erase this. Just break this again. Just write that part again. And I'll show you what I changed. Negative erase and negative 1. Good. We're going to get some algebra. That, move to one side, the other to the other. So you're going to raise it. Now you write that step. You write R and Q, not 1 over. R and Q. This is it, right? Okay. You go. All right, equals, go ahead. And what was the number you had? Your number. Okay. Oh my God. All right, box that answer. Doing good. Ooh, you look so smooth. All right. Next step is this already out because she really looks like she's in pain. Okay. She's a queen of sad face. So what's the next step? You want to write it?
So
So you're gonna write solve for I total. You're gonna use an algebra, right? So you're gonna write this equation. And then we're gonna solve for I total. Is everybody getting this? Okay. But you can finish it off over there. So we need to solve, right?
Solve for I1.
Solve for, well, that's the last part, yeah. So solve for I total
Amps.
and amps, right? So to do that, we use our tool there. Epsilon is equal to I total.
I2 times RQ.
So
Yes.
I could do the solve part B of him.
Yes. If you want to go ahead and knock it out, yeah. R and Q. You need a marker, right? You got a marker. Okay. Again, write it one more time. Epsilon is equal to I total.
No.
And then we're going to do some algebra. So we use different colors for that. So to do so, it's a multiplication process. You want to do the opposite multiplication. So to do that, we say, hey, let's divide by R cubed. I'll cross that out, and then I can rewrite. That's your what?
He look like he finna jump.
Who?
He better know. Look him.
Who are you talking about?
The lizard. Vector.
Your son?
Look at him.
No, he's just looking at everybody like, what's up? What's up? What's up?
He gonna work with me, guys.
Everyone for 3. You understand he's lonely by himself when you leave him at night on the weekend, so why he be all excited. We know what RQ is over here, because Miss Smith put it in perspective. Now I have calculated, so I total is going to be equal to, we got your calculator out, or you got it? I think you got it already.
Let's eat, right?
No, I equals epsilon, not E. It's epsilon, that Greek letter.
So
Like this here. So, you can say,
I was gonna write a regular E because I can't write it.
Make it a sideways N.
is that what you're doing?
I'm gonna write it as a backwards story.
Yes, that's what it is. You wrote the same thing.
I thought it was it.
Alright, so our total here is, that's what you calculated that too, and that is 0.3667 amps, right? My word, I'm working. And that's the end of part A.
No, I'm not talking about the work. I'm talking about the song. Yes, sir. Move your paw.
He'll learn. He's just trying to get footing.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mike, I'm going to check on that people network. I done caught y'all in that. I got to move y'all.
Do you want this for a second?
Rush help me out.
Ew. Look at her face.
Rush can't tell you.
All of these students. All of them.
Did you learn? I ain't caught you nagging. If I catch you again, we'll sit you over here like a little kid.
Not you. Stop.
Let listen to y'all conversation. And I got enough recorded time to even talk to y'all about it. Keep the conversation. Keep saying it. Say staff, I said y'all about academics. Don't rush. Because I see through y'all trying to ask questions that will throw me off. Don't redirect it towards your work. Because that part B, a lot of people didn't do.
I got this one.
Yeah, but you didn't get all of it. Bro. It's always fine. Do the rest of the work. Part D, I see what you saw. Let me see your part B.
Ooh.
Come on, Mr. On, bro. Slow down. Let me see your part B. Yeah. On live. What you working on?
I'm gonna lie.
I ain't for your team. You work. We doing it again, trying to help you. I got help there. A lot of y'all boosted y'all scores by doing some of that Khan Academy, but that window's expired. You're doing something new after we get this done. And I'm trying to get y'all to do it because y'all need time to finish. All right, Anthony, what you got done?
Don't laugh.
Mind your business though. Why are you here?
You missing stuff too. That's not the rest of it.
You know he's gonna cut the video like.
Yeah, like I said for you guys, I will. I ain't treat people kids like kids. Come out, so you're
No, we do. I ain't do the second
Hey,
part. I forgot about it.
man, they're still recording, y'all. Oh.
Go first.
You
I
done?
did all them.
Alright, are you almost done?
I did all them when I was there.
Can you do ivory for me?
I ain't do the second part of leave.
Markers are over there. Use the plastic. You're almost done, Jamila. This is the part over here that she's doing that y'all don't have. So, Andre, yeah. Sanchez, yeah. Brooklyn, yeah. Who else did not do part B? Trust, did you do it? Because I know who did it. Natalie did it. Finally. She did something. Okay. Well, no, she shouldn't be helping you. She should be doing it. No, you didn't. Because I see her hands on the keyboard. She's yours. She's nothing, but you gotta stop doing that now. You have to do it yourself. Because you're handicapped. So start typing it. It's right there, trust. Nobody's gonna do your work for you. Y'all call helping people doing your own assignment. That's not helping. It's handicapped. Type. All right, everybody carry their own weight. Stop trying to finesse other students. All right, type it up now. Watch it. Sanchez, get to type on that part B. You skipped that part yesterday.
It's a type of Sanchez.
I'm scared. Well, he's just trying to explore. He doesn't know where he is. Aiden, please do not tie up my. Okay, you did. Okay, is she done? And Jamila give me an evil look. Okay, you got your 45. Oh, people don't think I'm torturing you or something.